my channel, and if this is your first time here, my name is Maya. What's up, girl? You know what's up, what's good, what's your life? If you want to become a member of this family here, all you gotta do is hit subscribe. I know you want to do it. I know you want to be friends. And if you do hit the subscribe button, make sure you leave me a comment below so you can say hello, and I'll make sure that I respond to you so we can, you know, be girlfriends up in this piece. Today, I am going to be reviewing the highly anticipated Kylie Weather Collection. I did go ahead and spend my coins on this collection. I bought 3 items. Yes, only 3. Look. Yeah, y'all know what that means. I did purchase the Eye of the Storm palette. This is her packaging. She's real cute. She's real, you know, poppin'. She real fly for baby Stormy. Yes, but this is actually the box. This here is our palette. And when you open her up, she's cute, she's doable, she's real poppin' or whatever, you know. Obviously, I've already been playing with it. I did use this palette to create the look I have on right now, so we're gonna get to that later. I also purchased the highlighter palette. Yeah, here she is. And if you open her up, she does have 4 pretty shades of highlighter, which are very tailored to a certain type of person, which is, you know, okay, but there are lots of types of people, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean. I did get one of the nude shades, and I got the darker one, which is Cosmic, and this is her. We're gonna get into her later, as well as this highlighter palette that I wish I didn't buy, but you know, keep watching the video and you're gonna see why. If you do want to see this review and you want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep watching, ladies, and I will see you at the end. All right, guys, so we're nice and close. We all a family here, so it's all good. I already got one eye already primed, and this eye is done. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, just because I feel like this palette does not have transition shades, and we need our transition shades. Okay, here's the palette. No transition shades, not one, in my opinion. I am gonna go in with this brush from BH Cosmetics, and this is a It's My Ray Ray brush. I'm gonna use this to put the darker color into my crease. And I'm gonna take this color right here. And I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna blend that out. And you do want to keep more pigment like towards the crease area, since we are going to go in with a lighter color or lighter colors on top of that. So from there, it is up to you if you want to add the black color into the crease now, or if you want to wait. I am going to go ahead and add it now, and that is this color right here. And I'm going to press that right into the crease where my line is going to be. So guys, one thing I will say about this palette is it's like way too much fallout for me, especially like for the price. Nobody wants to deal with that. Okay, I'm gonna prime my lid so that the colors can come through a little more and they can pop. And this also creates your cut crease as well. In this palette, I am going to be using 2 different colors. So I'm gonna use this color, which is gonna be on my outer lid, and then I'm gonna use this one to go on my inner lid. Gonna make it real extra today. And I'm gonna bring this to just about the middle of my lid, and that's where my silver is going to take over. And even though I feel like I don't do a lot of silver, like this is one of my favorite colors in this palette, just because I feel like it's one of the most pigmented. Then you do kind of want to bring this in and blend it into the green so that you have a nice little gradient on top. Look at all this. It's not cute. I hate that. Lord Jesus. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my face because I want to get to this highlighter palette. We all need to see that. So, yeah, this e.l.f. primer spray is like death. Like they trying to kill you with this stuff. Like the spray is like super like hard to your face. You gotta literally hold it out like super duper far for you not to die. It's ridiculous. On my lower lid, I am gonna go back into the palette, and with the smudger brush, I can't even say that. I'm gonna go in with a green color here. Let's do that. And I'm gonna take that back. Actually, I'm gonna put the darkest color on the outer lower lid. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the green, and I'm gonna bring that into the silver. And oh my God, guys, I'm getting fallout on my face. This is a problem. This is a problem, Kylie. Nobody got money for this. Don't nobody got time. Don't nobody got time. Let's get into this highlighter palette. Okay, first of all, this palette came broken for me. I don't know if you guys can see, but this one right here is broke. So I was not happy about that. Number one, especially for $44. Not a happy camper. When I was playing with this yesterday, I noticed that it's not really friendly for us brown ladies. Light and iridescent colors are better for lighter, more, you know, pale skin tones. More darker skin tones, we need something a little more golden. I would say the best ones for us would probably be about this one or this one. That's my opinion, but I'm gonna go in with this one right here. And let's see how this turns out. Yeah, I'm so uncomfortable right now. Like, this is just like way too light for me. Like, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't know. I don't know. This is not making me feel comfortable. So I'm going to close this. And I'm gonna move into a palette that I believe is better for me. And this is a BH Cosmetics palette from Carli Bybel. It's a little loved on. You can't even really read it anymore, but you know, that's a good thing because that means it's a good palette. She has two goldish colors in here that I've already been dipping in, and I'm gonna go into those. And this is more like it. This one's rub that off. So I did get the lipstick. The darkest one she had that was like nude was Cosmic, and that's this right here. We're gonna see what this looks like on my skin tone. Let's just see. I wasn't bold enough to get the black. I know I seem like I am, but honey, no. That's light, guys. That's real light. So I'm actually gonna blend this in with a darker color on the edges. And this is, I believe, LA Girl matte lipstick. You know, nothing fancy. Okay. That's better. I like it. Now, the lipstick is pretty smooth. It's pretty. It's got a cute little lightning bolts on the sides, and that's really cute and sweet for baby Stormy. So I'm about to pull myself all the way together, and I will be right back, ladies. Okay, so I got my hair together, y'all, but do y'all want to know who I feel like right now? Like, low-key, like, for real? I feel like Storm, like, from X-Men. Like, with the silver and the green and Halle Berry short hair. Like, I feel like Storm. Like, it's giving me all types of superhero vibes right now. I'll take it, Kylie. Like I said, I finished everything off, and I like it. You know, this palette is not very practical. This ain't something that you're gonna use every day, but the highlighter palette, gotta go. Only for me and my skin complexion, I ain't feeling it. Also, the lipstick is a little light for me. You know, just give it a little lip liner around it. You know, just a little extra push to be what you need her to be. And, you know, it ain't so bad. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe below. And I will see all of y'all on my next video. Hopefully, if you subscribe. Make sure you hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. All right. Bye, guys.